current affairs is important firstly because every year there is a new context for every social event that is happening across the world. So when the questions that are being asked from GS 1, 2, 3 and 4, probably our context undochu questions. So for that reason, our current affairs becomes most important. Because let's assume 2025 GS2 paper తీసుకొని and maybe 2025 current affairs తెలియకపోతే the points that we write might not be actually sitting in context, because ఆ ఇయర్ ఏదైనా జరిగి ఉండొచ్చు, ఆ ఇన్సిడెంట్ మెన్షన్, ఆ ఇన్సిడెంట్ కానీ లేకపోతే ఆ లా కానీ if you mention it in the answer, then the context becomes clear of the question. So for that reason it's important for current affairs, firstly to understand the context of the question. Secondly, current affairs is more important because in prelims it is static entunna gani current affairs plays a major role. So current affairs lengthy, it's difficult to complete the paper. And thirdly, interview is completely based on, even though it is a personality test, current affairs అనేది ఆ టాపిక్ మీదనే ఒపీనియన్స్ అడుగుతారు, వాటి మీదనే, అంటే లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. సో current affairs is absolutely essential.